Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am making a very special unit. This is my 5-piece hair unit that I am going to install because I want to wear a really nice bun style pull back, and of course I have no edges, so this is a new technique that I've used before and I'm going to try it on myself. This is the center hair unit that is going to go into the middle of my head, and then the side unit that blends with this side, and the side unit that blends with this side. And there is a 4th unit that is going to attach to the back of my head with clips. It's really an easy install. I have not done it before on myself, so fingers crossed it's going to look the way that I think it's going to look. First, I'm going to use Miss Lola's adhesive cream that dries clear and has a bonding time of up to 4 weeks. I'm going to use the adhesive cream around the entire area where I have no hair. So let's get started and see how this style is going to come out. First, I'm going to comb all of my hair back to get that out of the way. I've cleansed the entire area that I'm going to bond to with 99% alcohol to make sure there is no oil and that I get the longest bonding time and the most transparent bonding possible. I'm going to let the first layer dry clear and then apply another layer and let that one dry clear as well. Now I'm ready to install the middle section of the front unit. Making sure that it's smooth. Now the right side of the unit, aligning it with my hairline and with the unit I just put on. Now to install the left side. Now the front of my unit is installed up to where my hair begins. Very seamless. And we're going to go ahead and take this and put it up. And now for the 4th section of my hair unit, which I made to contour to my head. And I'm going to part off my hairline to leave hair to cover the unit. And then I'm going to attach it with the clips that I've added. And now with my favorite styling foam, Iso Plus Tea Tree Foaming Lotion, I'm going to add that to the entire back area. And then put little waves in the back so that it joins in with the unit. And now to pull all of the unit up on top of my head to make it as seamless as possible. Some of my own hair is longer than I thought. I just turn it around and put it across the front, right? I'm not going to do a lot of baby hairs, just enough to give it a cute little finish. This is my completed bun, where I added the drawstring and added tracks. I spiral curled my bun. Now I'm anxious to see how it's going to look with its 4 other parts of the hair unit. I put a braid here and just wrapped it around like that. Okay, here it goes. I'm loving my new bun that I would never have been able to get if I had not installed this 5-piece hair unit. If you would like for me to make your hair unit, or you'd like to appear on the Magic Wig Maker, please let me know, because I know what it's like to have alopecia, and I am a specialist at making hair units for those with alopecia. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have enjoyed. While you're here, why not subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I'm working my magic. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Take care. Bye-bye.